MC Danno from the Urban Sounds, and this is Bar 58. Welcome. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I go by the name of Lucky MC Danno. I am with the Urban Sounds, and we're here live on $2 Tuesdays. And it's a party right here. If they even shut down the streets, it goes down here every Tuesday nights. That's how the Urban Sound does it. And we got my man Champ here, one of the guys that runs the spot right here. And tell us a little bit where the spot's at, man.
Yo, $2 Tuesdays, 58 Bar Pico, Rivera. All drinks, $2. Wild drinks, $2. Sold out every night. Ladies free all night. Yo, it's a party up in here. You want to check it out? Come down, Pico Rivera, Bar 58, $2 Tuesdays.
Yo, what up, man? I got one of the hottest DJs in LA right here from LA 96.3, DJ Volatile. What's up, man?
Yo, we just finished rocking. Sammy Sam. Come on, Sammy Sam.
We're doing this
Say
live
something
right
on the
here.
mic.
What's up? We got Sammy Sam.
Bar 58 Tuesdays with the Sammy Sam.
Thank you for coming through. This is Bar 58 every Tuesday night. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Shout out to all the DJs that came through. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, at Lucky MC Danno. Peace. Urban Sounds.
Tell the waitress we need bottles right now.